We are back at it again here with another video with the Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. Here we are with the SPY, the SP 500 index, continuing to test key resistance levels. And in today's volatility, our SPY bot sent out a bull indicator at 10:40 a.m. You could see it here sent directly to our Discord. That bull indicator at 10:40 a.m. Full strength on 42 vision. Inflows crossed to the midpoint to the upside, and it did not get canceled by a bear indicator till 3:50 p.m. So any dip turned out to be an opportunity for as long as that bull indicator was in play. And within minutes to an hour, call options went up 180% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected to our bots. We look forward to having you join us. Check out the top pinned comment down below and the link in the description as well. We look forward to getting you connected. So here we are with the SPY, having that full strength of a bull indicator that lasted nearly into the close, and this bear indicator quickly getting canceled here within these levels of 603 and the support that was found at 602.90 and a bull indicator at 603.27. We're going to zoom out in just a moment and look at these charts, and I'm going to break down the key levels I would watch going into tomorrow. Here we have the SPY, the SP 500 index, continuing to bounce here above the 595 levels at 596 and then also 597, and coming up towards that resistance that rejected today at 602. We passed it, right? We see that rejection in the after hours on Monday. Yesterday, it slowed down there multiple times, and today it came up to it and broke it. Now, we're breaking out to newer levels, and if you want to go ahead and call this a gap fill, to fill up this gap, there's still room towards 605 and all the way up towards 608 and even up towards the 609, almost 610 level. Now, we want to keep in mind also on 42 vision that there is multiple bright green bars here so far, and this is the end of the transition. When it's back to back, that's the strength on the charts, but that's the end of the transition to the upside, and eventually it could start back down, right? A full transition down would be dark green bars, red bars, and then wire fed borders, as we call it, the dip area and areas of weakness. So if this is your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as an extra layer of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with the SPY, the SP 500 index, back under a bull indicator, canceling out that bear indicator in the pre-market at 599, and it popped up here at 600. Full strength on 42 vision, and it continues to dominate. But the biggest thing here that we do not want to ignore is the bigger picture. The 1 hour, it's been under a bull indicator here since 597. It was used as support in yesterday's pre-market. We were above those levels and no bear indicators, so any pullback was not justified, and we were watching for strength to continue and retest key resistance levels, and it did, and it broke out to newer highs. And then you have here the 2 hour under a bull indicator again at 598. That's the area where support was found in today's volatility, 598.50. And then the 4 hour is now for the first time popping back up with a bull indicator that has not confirmed. It's going to take 3 hours for this bar to go ahead and close and confirm. And if it does, this could roll over into tomorrow, and I will be watching that closely. And we're back above the level where that bear indicator popped up at 603.34. So to justify any move back up to the upside, I did state a bull indicator needed to pop up in the larger time frames and move along with the strength that we see here on the 1 day. This is the one that has been justifying all these moves and rejecting these pullbacks, looking as dip opportunities, because that bull indicator since 589.90 has been holding strong in the bigger picture. So lower time frame shows us a little bit more volatility, but the bigger picture, any of these pullbacks were not justified because it was never canceled with a bear indicator, and this bull indicator has been in effect all along. And here we are back up above 600 and heading towards 605, right? It's sitting at 604.43. So what are the key levels I'll be watching? Well, the first thing is 603 is the first support. Then below that, I'll be watching 602 and 600. If bear indicators pop up and outflows cross over, well, then we'll have to reassess and look at key levels below that. But that's as far as I'm going to the downside. And that's where that bull indicator popped up here so far on the 30-minute. Now, when we zoom out and look at this from the bigger picture, the resistance levels to the upside, the first one is 605. Once that gets broken through, then comes up here where the bear indicator popped up, which was 608. And then I'll be watching 610. So these are the key levels to the upside and to the downside. The bull and bear indicators are going to be crucial. And the inflow versus outflows, I'll be watching if they can continue to push up with it. And this bull indicator here on the 1 hour is holding strong. And also, I'll keep in mind and not ignore the fact that we've gone from white with red borders to bright green bars now, a full transition. And I'll be watching if that strength can continue here on the 1 hour and the larger time frames to the upside and retest those key resistance levels. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. And if you want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets and these charts, check out the link down below in the description. We look forward to having you join us and joining the community. As always, thank you guys so much, and let's make some money.